So here now, I out here in the bush alone again, and as soon as I start, well, I started filming before I filmed this intro, and already see some cool critters. Ooh, more ditch frogs. These are some ditch frogs here. I think they're trying to. Ooh, look, a caiman. A caiman right here. Soon as we start. Yeah, look him right there. I think he was feeding on the frogs because they have more than one. Look at the next one here. Yep, caiman. This here, I'm in the forest. I don't know if you can make out the forest behind me or lights and things. But you see, here is a kind of suburban area and a forest next to it. Yeah, so if you hear any music or thing in the distance, yeah, it's a suburban area, but they have a few animals here. Now I won't say plenty, but a good bit of species. Already we see one species of frog and a caiman. So yeah, and we now start. In this suburban area, there's a stream, and I just saw a gallop here. Oh, and look at the next one. The next gallop. Look, 1, 2, one there, and one in the water over there. 2 gallops. Oh, look at the next one. All right here. That's 3 gallops. See it? That's one somewhere so, and the other one, the one that was running away. Yeah. So like 3 gallops in this one area. Frogs been jumping out. Let's see. Oh, a frog over there. Oh, the next frog over there. Oh, look at this creature. Seen it? Hold up. Seen it? No, it's not this frog here. It's this. A stick insect. I just come across 2 more species of gallop. Seen it? Well, I mean 2 more species, but 2 more gallop. Not 2 more species, 2 more gallop. So that brings the total to 5. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 5 in one small area in one night. I've been walking for a good few minutes, and I think it's about to rain. The forest is very hot tonight, like real hot. Didn't see, well, not seeing much besides frogs and gallops, but still looking. So I just come across this beetle, rhinoceros beetle. Another gallop. I did spot some earlier, so I guess that is 8 gallops in this small area. I don't know. Look at these pond skating spiders. It have so much. And look the next one there. And one over there. Wait. What did you? Hold on. I'm watching these spiders. And isn't that a turtle shell? Yes, ooh. A mud turtle. Oh, I guess it's the first mud turtle I see in this area. a scorpion mud turtle. This suburban area have a lot of creatures. Oh, more spiders. This tree sap looks like blood. Sap from this tree. Can't remember the name of this tree. The name not coming to mind at this moment. That's interesting. Okay, this is a good distance from the last. Okay, I see a disturbance here. Oh. A next scorpion mud turtle. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Ooh, a next one. Oops, a male. Okay, got some pictures. You can find them fairly easy. Look at him going back. Basically this, you poke it, and when you hear the knock, you're touching a turtle shell. But turtles, they like to sleep on the areas kind of hidden and close to where their head could peek out of the water, right? Like see an area like this here, it's hidden, but the head could peek out without much notice. All areas like that, like here, turtles like to sleep in. They wouldn't like sleep in the middle here. No. Not really a turtle, because they have to breathe oxygen in the night. There's one thing they had to do. Oh, interesting. Golden orb weaver, I don't know why. Right. Okay, now you can see the colors. Yep, a female. So we have come to the end of the vlog. We have finished. This vlog was sweet, but we did see a few animals. This is a suburban area. One of my friends, he lives around here, and he was telling me to camp around this area. So I did. I was surprised. I was surprised. Never thought I would see so much gallop right in a suburban community in some bush. The forest takes around an hour or so to walk around. It's not big. I mean, I was taking my good time walking around and things. It had isolated pools because of the dry season. The fish that didn't make it get trapped in pools, and now it's food for the caiman we saw and the turtles and other fishes. It was amazing. It was a good trip. So if there's any place you would like me to check out, mention it in the comment down below. And just mention anything in the comments what you would like to see in this channel, on this channel more and more. So I'm the Wildlife Master, and until next time, peace out.